Today, I will show you a TikTok page that is getting millions of views on each post and then monetizing it. On some posts, it gets 50 million views, some get 30 million views, and others get 10 million views. By using this organic marketing strategy, this page is making millions of dollars per year. In a short span of time, this page has gained 3 million followers on TikTok and 82 million likes on its posts. The owner has created a Shopify store and is also doing affiliate marketing on Amazon by promoting various products. On TikTok, he has posted Amazon affiliate links, while on other social platforms, he uses his own Shopify store link. Many people think that dropshipping is easy and start doing it without getting proper knowledge from actual experts. After a month or two, they quit because they don't see results. This happens because these people lack patience and don't want to do the hard work. So, I want to let you know that dropshipping is not easy, but if you do it correctly, it can make you a year's salary in a month. In today's video, I will dissect the TikTok channel Lazy Pot Noodle and teach you step by step how to achieve the same success, from finding the supplier to creating viral content. But before we dive into the details, I want to let you know that if you are looking for entertainment, memes, lots of visual effects, and sound effects, this video is not for you. Here, I will give you pure knowledge without any drama. 1. Why we chose this channel and product. Let's discuss why the products from this channel's store are winning products. They are problem-solving products with good profit margins and a wide audience appeal. People love watching cooking short videos, so he is also getting millions of views from this content, driving a lot of traffic to his store. 2. Store design. Regarding his store design, it is currently a single product store. The overall design and feel are good. If you want to take inspiration to create your own store, you can use this store as an example. On TikTok, he has used Amazon affiliate links for the products he is selling. If you want to sell affiliate products like him, you can easily create affiliate links on Amazon and put them on your page. 3. Branding. If you want to create a channel like this, branding is important. To make a logo, you can use Canva, which is free, and allows you to easily create logos for your channel. For a channel name, you can use tools like ChatGPT or Namelix. I suggest not spending too much time on designing and branding, as it can be overwhelming and you'll never be fully satisfied. After that, create accounts on all social media platforms like Facebook, Snapchat, YouTube, Twitter, etc. If you don't get views on one platform, you might get views on another. 4. Finding a supplier. Now, let's talk about how to find a supplier for your product. If you're selling a product, you need a supplier who can fulfill your orders. The best platform for beginners to ship their products is AliExpress when starting out with low sales volumes. After you start getting many sales, you can switch to a private supplier. For private suppliers, you can join our Discord server. The link is in the bio. If you search for electric cooking pot on AliExpress, the product will show up, and you can bookmark it for easy access next time. 5. How to make viral organic content. Now, let's talk about how to make viral content like this. You must know how to cook. If you don't, you can learn from Google, YouTube, or read some ebooks on cooking. His videos are not very difficult to make. He simply shows his cooking process and writes the recipe name in the caption. Nothing fancy, so you can easily copy this style and post it on your social media accounts. By doing this, you will also get a lot of views and generate significant income. If you want a proper list of winning products, winning creatives, and viral music lists, you can join our Discord. In other videos, I have also shown winning products that are easy to make content for and generate organic sales on TikTok. That's all for today's video. If you have any questions, please ask in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe.